in this video, we have a helicopter thing, and it goes 60,000 miles away, and then.
All right, that was my little brother. Can you please run now? Please go. All right. Anyway, I am doing a redo of the first video on the DJI GO app due to the fact that it did not look good on the first run. So I skipped over all the stuff and I just went right to the I cut to the chase onto the app. But I might make another video where I show you the what's that called? I might make another video where I show you like how to connect. If you've already seen my other one, you already know how to connect, the password and everything. So, but basically, I'm running right now. Ooh, shoot, I gotta bring this up. Anyway, I'm running. Turn that down. But anyway, I'm running the DJI GO app, and I'm just gonna show you the basics and whatnot. So my battery's at 54%. You can see, you know those switches I was talking about? All those switches, the 3 switches, the right switch, and on your controller it should say S1. Well, you see that in the top left corner, there's a thing called Addy. I'm just going to click on it. Then I'm going to go back. So that's what I'm talking about, that Addy thing. Watch what happens when I push it up. It's going to go to P Addy. So that stands for GPS mode. This is altitude mode. This is function mode. So this is basically using the GPS, but you get to use your smart modes like not return to home, follow me, and waypoints and stuff like that. Altitude mode is where you don't use GPS signals or anything. You're only using your barometer to fly, whatever that means. And I'm just going to go back up to PGPS, and I only get 4 satellites in here because I am kind of like in a basement-ish. And it is really just kind of closed off and away from, and it can't really receive any satellites. So if you look over at the right, I can flip in between picture and video. Picture, video. I'm trying to get, and then this is like your brightness and stuff. Shutter speed, whatnot. And then you can see like your height and your miles an hour in the bottom corners of the thing. You got your auto takeoff right here. So it'd be like slide, and it would elevate to 3.9 feet. And then you've also got your return to home right there, your return to home function. You've got your no GPS signal, and then you've got, let's go down to battery. This, you can show it's running a 44 volt battery. Temperature is 19 Celsius. I've charged it 5 times. I have 2,336 milliamps remaining out of the 4,409. And you can set a low mode, so when the battery gets low, you get a notification to tell you have a low battery and you should return back. And then the critical mode is where when you reach that point, you automatically go back to where you were shut up. Where you go back to so critical mode is where it automatically goes back to home. It returns right back to you. So, and that's really that. Your home point settings, your return to home altitude. This is where the least you can go is 20 meters, and the highest you can go is 500 meters. So this how high you're gonna take the drone will go up, spin around, and return to home. And then the switches. That's the switch on the right. As you can see, I can't zoom in on it. You can turn on beginner mode, which gives you like a fencing area where it basically creates an invisible fence around you. For that matter, your maximum altitude 120 meters. You can set this all up. You can do it from whatever to whatever in your stick mode. I personally like my left stick as the throttle, and then my right stick as the direction it's going. Wi-Fi settings. This is where you can change your Wi-Fi password. Camera settings. You can change it to FPV or back to follow. You can. I'm gonna auto calibrate my gimbal. Yeah. Well, I'll do it right now just to show you what it does. Okay. Start gimbal calibration. Don't move the aircraft. Okay. Now it's just standing still. Oh, now it's starting to. As you can see, that's the camera.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So that's what it does when it's ready to take off. Now I just got 6 satellites. And if you really want to listen to it, which I'm going to do it for you, because you are my favorite dudes here. I don't know. I simply push the 2 sticks down. What I want to do now, turn it off, is I just press the throttle stick all the way down and it clicks in. It clicks into this thing where it turns off, and then it turns off the motors. So that's really, I'll do a video on that. And then you can go to your map in the lower left corner. This is where you are. I don't really want to show you guys my location because I don't want to be creepy. Dang it! Gotta go back to my camera. Sorry guys, that's gonna be screwed up now. Dang it. Anyway, that didn't look good. Alright, really this is just the gist of the quadcopter itself. I do like the app, in my opinion. I like it. I mean, it's worth, and it's free, and show flight route. I don't know. But yeah, really, this was a video to help you guys on your on this app. Just basically a tutorial. Well, I will see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna shut this down. Alright, see you later. I will see you in my next video.